Students, we would be discussing this question and its solution. The question says that we have to prove that the tangents drawn at the end points of a chord of a circle make equal angles with the chord. So the solution goes by that we have drawn a figure over here, and what we have to prove is that angle PAB is equal to angle PBA. So the solution goes by that since PA is equals to PB, we know that P is an external point, and by the theorem that the tangents drawn from any external point to the circle are equal in length. So from that theorem, we can say that PA is equals to PB. This point solves the question that these two tangents are equal in length. So the triangle formed, triangle PAB, in triangle PAB, the and by the property that the angle opposite to the equal sides are also equal, hence it is proved that angle PAB is equals to angle PBA. Now the second case is, what if the AB are at the extreme points of the circle and the chord length is 2r, then it would become a diameter, and in that case the tangents drawn would make 90-degree angle, as we know it is the radius. So I hope everybody would have understand the solution. It is a pretty simple question.